All right, we're gonna continue our roll rudiments with the 5-stroke roll. In the whole next series of lessons, you're gonna hear a lot of numbers and maybe we're gonna have to do a little math, but the 5-stroke roll is what I consider the beginning of the double-stroke roll rudiments. We're gonna have 5 notes. There's going to be double stroke, release. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Right, right, left, right, right, left. Now, what's good about this one is now we're gonna start combining some of the mechanics that we learned in the previous rudiments into our rudiments going forward. So we're gonna be both practicing relaxed double strokes in this one and a breath in this version in between. Right, right, left, right, right, left. Up, 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 up. So this is more of a duple interpretation of this roll. And if you don't know what duple means, when I say duple, I'm thinking of like 8th notes and 16th notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5-stroke roll. It's really important to focus on having relaxed double strokes without forcing it, letting the stick bounce off the drum, and then your release. And then prepping your left hand to start. Right, right, left, right, prep, left, right, left, prep, right, left, right, prep, left, right, left, prep. The faster you go, you're actually gonna bring your other hand up when the release hits the drum. Up, 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 up. Okay, so these are your 5-stroke rolls. It's a great place to start with your roll rudiments, and we're gonna be moving on through all the numbered roll rudiments in this next series of lessons.